In the annals of aviation history, few incidents have left as profound an impact as the Tenerife Airport disaster of 1977. Today, we journey back in time to that fateful day, unraveling the sequence of events, analyzing the causes, and reflecting on the lessons learned from this tragic incident. On the 27th of March, 1977, the serene island of Tenerife in the Canary Islands bore witness to the deadliest accident in aviation history. Two Boeing 747s Pan Am Flight 1736 and KLM Flight 4805 collided on the runway, claiming the lives of 583 innocent people. An unfortunate convergence of circumstances, including adverse weather conditions, miscommunication, and a series of human errors, set the stage for this catastrophic event. The Tenerife Airport disaster is a stark reminder of the complex interplay of factors in aviation safety. From language barriers and misinterpretations to the challenges posed by runway congestion and inadequate safety protocols, the incident underscores the critical importance of effective communication, situational awareness, and strict adherence to established procedures in aviation. In the aftermath of the disaster, the aviation industry embarked on a path of significant reforms, emphasizing enhanced safety standards, improved communication protocols, and advanced technology. The industry sought to prevent a recurrence of such a tragedy. Through meticulous investigations, comprehensive training programs, and international collaboration, the global aviation community united to learn from this incident and prioritize passenger safety above all else. Today, as we reflect on the Tenerife Airport disaster, we honor the memory of the 583 lives lost and the invaluable lessons learned from this tragic event. Their legacy continues to inspire us to strive for excellence, innovation, and collaboration in our ongoing mission to ensure the safety and well-being of all passengers and crew members worldwide. If you found this journey into aviation history informative and thought-provoking, consider subscribing to our channel and joining our community. Feel free to share your thoughts, insights, or questions in the comments below as we continue to learn together and strive for a safer sky.